Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sell crypto on eToro. If you don't have an eToro account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50 when you start trading. However, if you already have an account, open the website, then sign in with your username or email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on Portfolio. Now, you will see the list of positions in your portfolio. Click on the Sell button beside the crypto you wish to sell. At the right side of this page, you will see a red cross icon. Click on the red cross icon. Then a pop-up window will appear that contains the details about your selected crypto. To proceed, click on the Close Trade button. That's how you sell crypto on eToro. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.